Yo, what is up YouTube? It's your boy YEEZY Kicks, the sneaker fiend. Now today we're going over the Yeezy 350 V2 in the Earth colorway. Now before we get into the sneaker, make sure if you are new to the channel, you subscribe. Hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at YEEZY_Kicks23, as well as The Soul Luxury. That's my clothing brand. Here is one of the hoodies. So go check that out if you do want to support the brand. But with that being said, let's get into the video. So there is not much to say about this shoe. It is a primarily brown Yeezy 350 V2. It's brown prime knit upper, got a brown clear netting. You do have the heel tab in the back, which is very nice. So I like to have the heel tab, but then they go ahead and throw on some regular laces. I want to see the thicker laces with 3M running through them. I think that would have made the shoe pop a lot more. You have gray on the lining. You got your 3 stripes in the heel, then a gray insole with your Adidas Yeezy logo. But I actually do really like this midsole and outsole. You got a darker outsole. You guys can see the boost technology in there. One thing I do not like is this little boost tab in yellow. I don't get why you would put that in yellow. It just, I don't know. It doesn't make sense to me. I don't really like that part. Now with this shoe, I have heard a lot of mixed reviews. I've had a lot of people tell me they really like the sneaker, and then a lot of people say that it looks like doo-doo. It looks like poop. You know, they don't like the brown look, but I personally think this is a fire Yeezy. I am a little disappointed with the laces. I think they could have been better. And then this yellow tab. But besides those two little things, I really do like the sneaker. Yeezys are some of the most comfortable shoes out there, so that's always a plus. Now, as far as like resale, in the resale community, we would consider this just lunch money, you know, that $10 to $50 profit. But I have seen a lot of people be impatient and just sell at retail or even under retail with this sneaker. So if you are looking to buy a pair, I think you can get this shoe for retail and maybe even talk someone down to below retail. So there's not much to say about this colorway. It is pretty much just a brown sneaker. Now let's look at this lace swap and hopefully it adds some spice to the shoe. Bam! There you guys have it, the Yeezy 350 V2 in the Earth colorway. Let me know what you think about the sneaker. Are you going to cop now that you've seen this video? Make sure if you are new to the channel, you subscribe. Hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at YEEZY_Kicks23. It's your boy YEEZY Kicks. We out.